Hello and welcome everybody. What I'm going to do today is just replace standard which comes with Africa Twin Adventure Sport handguards. As you can see, Africa Twin Adventure Sports comes with the plastic handguards protections, where for example standard Africa Twin has only that middle section, that middle plastic bar, doesn't have wind shells. So why did I decide to replace them? First of all, they just only windshield protection, and they only protect up to some point. They're made from flimsy plastic, as you can see, so they're not rated as an impact drop crash protectors. They just only works as sort of wind protection. And I tell you why only as a sort of, because they have a fixing point to the, as you can see, to the lever of handbrake, and to same on the other side they have a fixing point over here to the clamping as well, where is the clutch. In my case is a handbrake because it's DCT gearbox. So what it's disadvantage of fixing point of those handguards, you cannot adjust them. If you want to adjust them, you have to move the whole clamp up or down, and that also will change your lever position, and that's not great because you have to adjust both levers. Doesn't matter if you have a clutch lever or the brake lever, you have to adjust to your hands, to your comfort. If you move the whole clamp up or down, you change the position of the levers, and then just it's pointless to have them, So they sort of protect you from the wind while you're riding, but in my case this side is lower than the other one, and I can't adjust it. I can't adjust it because if I, like I said, if I move it up, I will change position of the front brake lever. In terms of any crash, any drop, this will brake force. This is just plastic and it just moves. So there's why I decided to just go for something else, something different, which not only offer me proper wind protection but also impact crash protections. So let me see what I decide to go for. So this is what I went for. I bought the SW-Motech Adventure Set of the handguards. So this is the main box with the mounting kit, which includes the bar weights, bars protections for the handguards, and this is the Adventure shell set. SW-Motech offers also the sport version, which they're just shorter, smaller, and the Adventure just taller. So also with that set, this is the basic set which you gonna buy for your bike. If you want, you can extend that set with additional items, which I bought for this set. This is the extensions for the Adventure shells guards, handguards. So basically this small piece of plastic goes on the top of this one and extend the whole kind of handguard shell protection unit. And also, which can sound really crazy, I bought the protection pad set for the handguards bars. It's crazy, yeah? When the handguards they are made from aluminium, and they're already meant to protect your hand and handlebar. I bought additional protection to protect this bar from scratches and from like, you know, impact, because this is the hard plastic which goes on the top of this bar and meant to, like, you know, take some impact while you just crash, and also protect this bar from the scratches, scuffs, or whatever, like, you know. So this, what is called, it's called extension set for the handguards. So let's reopen it, have a look inside, and then I will explain you why I went for this SW-Motech set instead, for example, Barkbusters or any other brand. So let me see what's inside the boxes. We start from the main bigger box, which contains all the mounting kit. So it contains the bar and weights, main crash bars, which you screw into on those bars the shells, and should be some screws. Inside the box you don't have any instruction. You have a, like, you know, QR code you scan and you can download the instruction. I have already downloaded the instruction, but to be honest, the instructions is not really intuitive, like, you know. There's some explanation, but I will show you how to fit, how to just, like, you know, install those crash bars different way than the instruction says. So inside the box we have two left and right main bars. Not sure if you're gonna see, there's a part number, and also it's marked with the letter right and left, so you know exactly which side is which. So basically it says this is the left side, so it mounts on the left side of the handlebar like that. So this curve goes up, cannot be mounted like that. This part goes up. So this is the left side, this is the right side. Okay, made from aluminum, very light, power coated. As always with the SW-Motech, finish is just top notch, absolutely perfect, don't have any issue with that. So I may explain you why I went for the SW-Motech instead, for example, Barkbusters. For start, they are black. My bike is matte black, so I want to have everything painted black, including those bars. Barkbusters, I know it offers a black version, but it's impossible to find the black painted bars, protection bars with the Barkbusters. All the kits are on sale at the moment. They have a silver one. Of course, it's probably easy enough paint them, but I didn't want to spend and waste my time and money just to prepare and paint those bars. So I want to already have a black from the box. That was the one of the reasons. The second reason, as you can see, this bar is not straight completely as the Barkbusters, has a bit curve over here. So what it does, it gives you more room for your fingers, for your handle. Where, for example, the Barkbusters are completely flat bars like that. Okay, so how I can show you this. So for example, if that part will be straight, look how much room you're gonna lose, because Barkbusters, it's all the way straight line, straight bar. So somebody who has bigger hands, bigger fingers, may already touch the bar. So SW-Motech came up with brilliant idea, just made that curve, made that bend. So when you hold it, your brake lever, your clutch lever, it gives you more room to operate your hand. Like I said, Barkbusters, they're straight. So it's hard to just show you, like, you know, but I had the Barkbuster in my hand, and definitely you lose that curve and you have less hand space inside them. So that was the second reason. And the third reason, in my eyes, because like I said, I had in my hands the Barkbusters. They're great, they're lovely, they're just made to last, the same as this one, but they're much nicer finish. Okay, much nicer. All the parts just like, you know, really well made. Barkbuster probably like, you know, I will go for the Barkbuster if I on daily basis use the bike for the off-road, heavy off-road, when this involves lots of crashes, lots of dropping of the bikes, and you don't care about the scuffs, scratches, bends. That's what the Barkbuster in my eyes are made for, like, you know, heavy off-road bikes. This one, because I use only for the light off-road, they just like, you know, I want to have them looks nice on the bike. And of course the side also just to offer me protection. They're definitely like, you know, heavy sturdy piece of aluminum. They not move at all, just so not only gonna offer you protection compared versus the standard Africa twin plastic bars or plastic, like, you know, elements of the handguards. This definitely gonna serve double purpose, not only cover my hands from the wind, but also give you the impact and crash protectors. So let we actually take everything from the box. So we have a left hand side and right hand side of the crash bars, and what we have over here is aluminum bolts which goes inside your bar ends on the of the handlebar. So you have two pieces like that. Set of bolts and nuts, and then we have some metal brackets. They don't have any marks which side, left or right, is this, so we have to figure out later on. This is probably for the bikes equipped with the automatic gearbox. It's just some bracket for the handbrake lever. So if you have a, like, you know, a clutch, you don't have that bracket, or you don't use this bracket with a DCT gearbox, you have to use this bracket with your handbrake. We have a clamps, and also they mark left side, so basically you clamp them on the handlebar that is well made from aluminum. So that's the left side, and that's the right side. That's the bar ends weights, and also some weights slash spacers. So you have a two each for two different sides. And basically that's it, what's inside the mounting kit for the handguards from SW-Motech. Okay, so inside the next box as well, no instructions. We have a wind protector shells which going on the aluminum bars, made from the plastic. They also, beside the number, you have a letter R and L, so you know the left it's marked as L and right with the R letter. So actually, yeah, you have to look up, and beside that part number you have a letter which accords to the side, and also the fitting plastic brackets and screws. So that will be basically your standard set for the handguards with the SW-Motech. If you want to extend this set for the additional pieces, You can get, like I said, extension as well. Does it have any number? Yes, this is left side. So you have extensions for the wind protectors, and basically they goes on the top. So if you want to have extensions, you just basically, so it's big, wide, big enough for somebody, maybe that's enough. But if you want to extend this shell even higher, you have an extension. So it's actually quite extension, and during the winter time, during the cold, basically you screw with this. So yeah, as you can see, the one with extension and the one without, it makes some difference, doesn't it? And I think even the standard shells, windshields, are quite bigger compared to the Africa Twin standard one. I'm going to show you in the moment one. So like I said, that's 2 extensions for left and right side, and also it's a screw set. And finally, the last piece of the puzzle, screws, and that's the protections for the bars as well. Left and right as well are just marked over there. So you know, you have to just look closely and look for the, beside the always part number, there's a letter which corresponding to the side. So basically what it does, you slide this over here, and basically that's supposed to protect the main bar while you impact, while you lay down the bike, from scratches, and also protect the plastic one. So this is going to force take the whole impact when you crash or when you lay down the bike. Okay, so this is the whole kit for your SW-Motech Adventure Handguard. This is, like I said, extension kit. It's not the standard, it's just extended with the extra extension for the windshield protectors, shields, and for the guards for the bars.